yummy, all red and green. So little children eat them every day to make you all strong and smart. And I thank you.
Of course, our contestant number 1 from kindergarten. Candidate number 1 is Sabrine de la Peña Pido. She's the lovely daughter of Mr. Kim Michelle Pido. She's the Kinder social media princess. She loves to vlog, and you can watch her vlogs on Facebook. Sabrine is smart, bubbly, witty, and active girl because she gets her energy from eating fruits and vegetables. Sabrine is wearing a Mac 2 Month inspired gown, just like Catriona Grace Ibong Adarna gown. It is made of sack, corn husk, corn kernels, mango seeds, fresh vegetables, recycled coconut shells, seashells, and coconut midribs for the basket. You can see sprinkle of gold glitters to enhance the beauty